friends, Running Kimono here. So we have yet another Walgreens curbside deal, and they dropped some very unique No.7 coupons today, early-ish this morning. And I apologize that I'm getting this video out a little bit later, so hopefully you can still score this deal. But they just dropped a lot of these $10 No.7 coupons on the Walgreens app. And we have a clearance item with curbside to make these for 24 cents each. So what we're going to do is you have to do this curbside only. My understanding is that if you go in store, they're not ringing up for the same price. A couple of you have messaged me saying, it's not working, curbside only. So curbside only through cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, you're going to put this order in. So it's where it says pickup, on the very left-hand side, that's what we're touching, and it's in stock at my store. So we're going to throw 2 of these No.7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day Creams with an SPF of 30. So that should have an expiry date on it too, because it has SPF in it. So they are originally $27.99. They're on this weird clearance for $6.99, and it's also BOGO 50% off. Putting 2 of them into a cart, that's $10.48. So hold on to your hat here for a second. We have this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2, and it's valid from, see how it says the 26th to the 18th? I don't remember seeing this coupon unless I was like in outer space and asleep for the last 2 weeks. Do you guys remember seeing this 10 off of 2 coupon? Because I certainly don't. I just saw it today. But it expires on the 18th, so definitely load it even if your store is out. Maybe you'll be able to find something else. So load this coupon. Going back to our basket, it's $10.48. Curbside pickup is free, 63 cents in tax. Subtracting that $10, you're paying $1.11. I would use $1 in Walgreens cash and pay 11 cents and call this a very smart deal. I know a lot of you are looking for deals on very nice and inexpensive face cream and, just stuff like for your skincare routine. Definitely throw this into the mix. No.7 is one of these wild cards that sometimes it can be completely for free over at Walgreens. And it wasn't only that digital coupon, guys. I found a couple other ones for No.7. Sometimes, too, this specific product can be found in the clearance section, too. See how it's tagged as well. Like if it's $5 a pop, that might be a deal for you. But I would put this order in ASAP because it is just a fantastic deal to get these sort of products at this price. It is unheard of. And it's also No.7 to get a product that's almost like $27 for 24 cents. It's just an unheard of deal. Yeah, look at this, guys. $27.99 down to $6.99 on a BOGO 50% off. So who knows? They're clearing it out. There's a good amount of lotion there, 1.69 ounces. So you're getting your value, your money's worth. Put your order in right away. This is going to go really like hotcakes, and hopefully you could track one down. And definitely look at the coupon and see what else is attaching. Itemize. This is the cheapest one. If you love the No.7 line and there's something else that you're like, oh my gosh, desperately want it. The 10 off 2 digital, and the fact that it's valid for the next week and a half, we will have another deal with it. So load all of the No.7 coupons and we will proceed with that. So put in your order right away, guys. Get on this deal and we will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.